I hope you all are fine. Today our topic is assignment operator. We learn about the operators in last video, and if you don't know, you can check it my previous video, that the types of operators in C++. So we discussed about the arithmetic. Now we are discussing and we are exploring assignment operator. What is assignment operator actually? Assignment operator is used to assignment values to variables. Okay, values to variables. For example, here x is a variable and 20 is the value. So here equal is the thing which is used to concatenate 20 and x. And how is concatenate x to 20 to by to assigning the value of 20 to x. So this is our assignment operator, and this is equal plus equal means that you first you add and then you assign. A minus equal means first you minus and then assign to the variable. Similarly multiply, and you have no need to do it with the two different variables. You simply write this, and similarly we have a multiply, we have divide, and so we have modulus, we have ampersand, okay, greater than or less than or equal to. These are the assignment operator which is used commonly used in C++. Okay, this is the thing you have to learn day by day. You have when you experience with the new problems, with new issues, then you can easily understand what is this. So this is enough for us right now. So you can scroll that what is the assignment paper. If some question is about the assignment operators, you know, and you give the answer of that. So this is the simple. Hopefully you understand the operators, the operations, the operands. So the difference of in these two. Every language, every operation have some rules, and just we follow, and but the and the logic is the same everywhere. So next our topic is the comparison operator. This is the also another type of operator that we learned in our previous video and lecture. What is the comparison operator? So comparison operators are basically used to compare the values or variable. If you want to compare a value or variable, then you use comparison operator. So these are also used in uh, C++. You have you know the idea of these things, right? You know the idea of these, and then you create your logic, and you can build your logic, and you can do the progressive things in your logics. So you have the idea of every, no need to master it, just know what is this, what is the comparison operator, and when we use and why we use, this. Okay, it's simple that comparison operators always give the value of true and false, that whether it is true and whether it's not. So its answer is 1 and 0, and nothing or other. Okay, and we also known these as a boolean values 1 and 0. Okay, now there is the some examples of operators are equal, double equal to. It means that if we are assigning to x double equal to y, it means that these are equal. Okay, and this the second one is not equal, so it's mean if the value x is not equal to y, then we write it x not equal to y. Okay, and greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal, these are some comparison operator which we commonly use in our C++ programming or in any language, because here we're discussing all about the logics, not about the anything more or other than logics, how you create and build your logic to strong. So we discuss a simple example over here that if we have two variables x and y and we're assigning the value, here you look, if we're using the assignment operator and then we are assigning the value to the variable. So the next we have to how to compare it and what we want to know. So we want to know that if x is greater than or is than y, so what was the answer? So the answer is true, means the answer is 1, because the value of x is greater than value of y. So there is no and if we reverse it, we are saying that y is greater than x, then the return value is 0, because the y is not greater than x. So this is the whole story related to the comparison operators. I hope you understand and I hope you like my video. Please do subscribe and share my video. Allah Hafiz.